Oh my God, they're turning sideways again.
We are testing out, basically they're using physics principles to go and build a boat, making sure that it will balance the forces and not sink.
We're studying buoyancy for physics 2.
Yep.
We made boats to help learn the buoyancy and all the buoyant forces and water displacement.
Only allowed to use cardboard and duct tape to swim 50 meters. We made it about 80%. When we got in, our boat started sinking like with water, and then eventually it just fully sank because we didn't know how to row.
Why are we getting in on the same side, bro? What is going on here?
It's important to have a wide boat to prevent capsizing, and also that taking on water is the most important thing to avoid.
Give some like real-world applications that we can actually test our theories and what we learn in the classroom, and we can actually test it in practice.
Hopefully they're learning stuff. Hopefully it's all hands-on stuff that's application of physics, not something that is just a practice AP problem that they see on paper. This is actually real-world application.
He's going down with the ship again.
Make sure you use the width and length that you are given, that you calculate, and don't like try to go off script in a way.
And use a lot of duct tape. You need so much duct tape.
We use like 5 rolls.
It's broken. Let's go.